So today I want to show you how to create a company page on your LinkedIn account. Now we're actually currently here on our personal profile, and then we're going to go through and set up our actual company page. Now it is going through our personal account, but they will not be interlinked directly, so no worries on that. So here on the main page, we're going to go to up this section here that says for business. Now this is currently done on a web browser, so just kind of something to keep in mind. And once we click this, there's a whole new slew of options that come up on the right hand side. At the very bottom here, it says create a company page. Let's go ahead and click here. Now it's going to give us a couple options. We can either start up the company page, a showcase page, or an educational institution. So you can see all the different settings for those. We're going to be going ahead and creating our company page right over here. And then from right over here, you can see it's going to ask for the name of the organization. It's going to ask for the custom URL address that you can go ahead and create. It's going to have a website, the industry that it's in, the organization size, organization type, the logo that you're going to be able to upload, and you can see it tells you actually the dimensions right over here, and then any tagline that you might have for your business, and then you can verify. Make sure you read the terms as well. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and create our page right over here. So from right over here, when I go ahead and plug in the name, it does kind of go ahead and give us a URL. If we wanted to go ahead and change that, we most definitely can, and it'll let us know if it is available for us. We can go ahead and put in our website like I mentioned, and then the industry as well too, so we can go ahead and choose one that works best for us. And then again, the organization size right over here, and then the organization type. So we went ahead and filled everything out right over here, and you can see that it populates everything on the page preview right here, so you can kind of see what it looks like. And if everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on create page. Now here on this page, this is the main section for our account. Of course, there are different things we can do, like add a description or location, put in a little banner as well, and so many additional features now that we have our account for our business page up and running. There are a few additional things that we want to learn on when it comes to filling out our overall back end for the business. So check out the video right over here on screen to learn the next step when it comes to filling in your LinkedIn business page account.